can't believe I've never drawn the Squid Game doll. So let's draw it today. So there was another doll added, the boy one. So for the jump rope part. So let's try and draw both of them. So it's a double. So if you want to just draw one, you can, obviously, if you have a preference. But we're going to start with the boy one over on this side of my page. Eyes. Top eyelid line. Curving up and down. And kind of like spiky at the back. Right, so dark sort of top eyelid line. And then we will go bottom eyelid. Big old eyes. The color part, just like a circle inside here. Touching the top and bottom eyelid. And then a big pupil in the middle, which is actually a camera lens. Like so. Alright, so no eyelids really, but we'll just add like a slight sort of suggestion of his eyelids there, because there's like a little bump in there. And then an eyebrow, very basic sort of drawn on cartoon sort of eyebrow. So other eye, same sort of thing again. You're about eye width apart, right, between the eyes. You can fit an eye in here, between his tear ducts. And then we just add this little spike. Back there. And then we'll go down into the corner. Right, and then iris inside. And pupil in the middle. And then eyebrow again. Very simple, just coming across the top of the forehead. And then we'll go for a little eyelid situation just there. Alright, so in terms of nose, not much, just maybe a little bridge of the nose line here. And then just kind of maybe nostril. And then the skin on the side. Roundy sort of nose, and maybe like a little bit of his nose just here as well. But that's about it. Right, then his mouth. So we'll go the center line first, kind of like bumpy. And then big top lip. Kind of like a stretched out letter M. And then his bottom lip. Like so. He has like little dimples in the corners here. Childlike features, very, very small chin. And then roundy sort of cheeks. Going up this way. So this cheek line meets kind of his hair. It becomes like a bowl cut sort of hair thing. So it's like his hair starts here, just like sideburns there. And then this hairline comes around his forehead. It's kind of, it can be wavy a little bit, if you want. And then we got small little ears sticking out the side of his head. I'll put some ear lines. So it's hard to see inside that hat now because of the shadow. Okay, well. So let's see, if I was a hat line, where would I be? So this kind of goes around like his head. It's very dark in there now because of his cap. There's like a little edge line on his hair. And then all this has like hair texture lines basically coming down. There. And then this seems to be like an extra little section. Like another line. So this is like his hat or something. Or his cap. Coming around his head here. And like the rim of the hat is like, just has an extra little bumpy part to it here. It's all dark in there, but you can see just two extra sort of bumps on top of the head then. Coming around here, maybe like a little thing on either side. Can't see it on that side, but it's all shadowy in there, so it's very difficult to see what's hair and what's not. So that's basically the head. We go down and do his body. So skinny neck, shirt collar, and everything's kind of like plastic and stuff. So and his arms come into the middle because he's holding that jump rope. So we'll just do shoulders, and then like his arms go that way. Right, there's like a light green coming across here. Okay, that's the boy one. We'll go over and do the girl. Okay, so again, eyes very big. Eyelashes. Right, and then iris, circle, then big pupil in the middle. Right, and then her eyebrow. She looks kind of worried for some reason. A bit of an eyelid kind of thing there. Do the same on the other side. Bottom eyelid line then. And then big round iris and pupil. Ready, right, and then her eyebrow, just again here. Maybe eyelid. And like her nose, just bridge of her nose there. And then her nose, I think, is like a little bit smaller than this guy's nose. So you just see kind of nostril there. And just like the skin of her nose on the side. Nothing major. And then lips, kind of more dainty, smaller, maybe than the other side, like than this one, kind of a little bit like more puckered up or something. And her chin. But again, very similar, sort of large cheeks around, sort of cartoony, sort of. And this comes up to her hair. It's kind of easier because she doesn't have one of those weird hats. No offense. So let's say her hairline. Again, this wavy sort of bumpy. Thing. So no hat. And then this kind of just comes down towards her ear or something. There's like a little bit that sticks out over her ear, I think. Like here. So we get her little small ear. Then some ear lines. Edge line on the hair because it's plastic, and she has a thing in her hair, like a little clip. It looks like a trailer bed or something. Like so, and then hair. Like that, kinda. Boop. And then, so beads, like a little hair bobbin. That's this circular sort of purple thing. And then her neck coming out this way. And she has a little pink wide collar. She's got this kind of strap, like it's like maybe the strap of her dress or something. And then her shoulders go this way. Probably goes behind him. This is like her arm then, because she's holding the other side of the jumper up, you know. If you've seen the show, you know what I'm talking about. But there they are, the dolls from Squid Game. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.